Yeah, hi Stuart, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so I've done you 1254 today, and this is the 1254 stroke 11. It's got a black casing, 6.8 software, which is the latest stuff. So basically I'll power it up for you and I'll show you it all running. So this is just normal CD, obviously, one that you can buy. So you can see that all working as it should be. You know, the unit is in absolute spanking condition. I'm going to give it a 92%. The cogs are like spanking new. You know, these parts come out of new units. Or sure, yeah. You know, they're not brand new. I'm not selling them as new. You know, they're obviously used parts, but they are what what we call minties. It's where basically the radio's had like a software issue. So you know, the software's corrupt on the chassis, and it's just not worth repairing because Bang & Olufsen charge so much money. So basically, yeah, the units become scrap, and we get a scrap. So yeah, let me just turn it off. So yeah, I'll you can look there, your units there. So it's like absolutely lovely, pristine condition. Right, one thing that you're going to have to understand as well, like you wanted to play copy CDs. Okay, now with these stereos, okay, they don't, they are touchy. They can play them because I've played them on my Bang & Olufsen, which is the same system. Okay, so they do play them, but they are far and few with these copyrighted discs. So you need to be buying the correct discs. You can hear that playing. So yeah, so what you need to do, you need to be buying the correct discs. What they are, I ain't got a clue. So please understand that that's not in my control. But obviously you can see the part working, and it's absolutely mint. And there's no reason why it shouldn't last just sort of 10, 12 years. In all honesty, they say laser life's anything from sort of a few months to 15 years. I've done a repair for someone and it's still going after about 12 years. Well, it must be 13 years now, the same laser. So these things do last a long time. So yeah, anyway, there's the system for you. This is the exact one that you'll be getting. Okay, that's the exact model, the exact serial number that you're buying, and it's in lovely condition, and it's had a good few hour test and everything. So I'm sure you will be happy with that, and that should fit straight into your jukebox. Cheers, buddy. Have a good one.